Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today we are at Gustavus Adolphus College looking at the Borgeson cabin that I did a video inspection on this winter, and called some things to their attention, shall we say. Let's take a look at what I mean. Well, we've got damage in the windowsill area, and we're replacing those. We've got lots of squirrel damage. I think here we have fingerprint damage from visitors. So we've coated this with the clear epoxy already, and we're going to try and do some repairs on them. We've done a little work on this corner over here where we've tried to use some blocks of wood like this. We've done some repairs on the ends of these logs over here to restore them, and we're actually putting ground up charcoal in our epoxy. This stuff is still wet, but we're actually using this log here to try to put an imprint in our epoxy, make it look more like wood. And Josh's first attempt at doing that, and he's doing a really good job, actually. Other things we've got to do is we've got to address the areas where the stain's falling right off of it. We've got to do that. And then there's some areas where the sinking has failed over here. Yeah. There's a few spots up there where we've got sinking failure. We'll have to do that. This one here, I think this was put on too thick to begin with, and this sagging occurred almost immediately. But a lot of the failures along the upper part of the log here, and that's because of gravity. Gravity's pulling it down like it did right here, and it makes it too thin on the top. Over here it's pulled away, actually. So anyway, we probably got to cut this out, restore the surface, and redo it so we get decent adhesion.
Your vice grip back.
Okay. Well, that's it for today's visit, and we'll be back tomorrow.